Picture yourself in the 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, backup camera, satellite radio, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, adjustable steering wheel. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.